Doing a little bit of work on the Banshee. I haven't ridden it really much. So I got a second wind. I thought, I'm going to play around with it, put some money into it. It's been a while. It's a 97 Banshee. I was going to put some new guides on it. I had trouble with the carburetor leaking, so I took them apart, cleaned them out, checked out the floats. They were dirty, but so I got them back in, and it would not start. Finally, I realized I didn't have my carburetor connecting tube hooked up. So once I had that tube between the carburetors hooked up, it started right up. But anyway, I have it on these jack stands, and as I'm messing around with it, I'm thinking, I'm doing a little bit of wiggle, and I see my bearings up on the front end of the swing arm are out. So I'm gonna have to order some bearings and then clean it out. Like I say, it's been on the beach, it's been everywhere, and so I'm gonna put a little money into it. On eBay, the swing arm front end bushings bearings were like anywhere from 40 to 100 bucks. So I'm gonna put a little money into it. So if you get your bike up and you put it on a jack stand and you shake the rear end and you have that problem, time for new bearings. So I'll order some, get it going, maybe clean up a little more, little project. Okay. Good luck.